Cleaning an air conditioner evaporator coil thoroughly restores efficiency and indoor comfort quickly. Start by turning power to the system off at the breaker and the disconnect at the outdoor unit to remove any risk of electric shock. Remove the access panels and, if present, the drain pan and any obstructing duct connections to expose the coil fully for inspection. Use a soft brush or a low-pressure vacuum with a brush attachment to remove loose dust and debris working along the coil fins parallel to the fin direction to avoid bending them. For oily or sticky deposits, use a no-rinse foaming coil cleaner formulated for evaporator coils. Spray evenly, allow the foam to dissolve soils for the recommended contact time. Then let condensate rinse the foam away during the next run cycle. If heavier grime remains, use a non-acid acid-based coil cleaner following label dilution and safety instructions and trap, and neutralize any runoff to avoid damaging surrounding materials. Straighten a few bent fins with a fin comb sized to the fin spacing so airflow is restored without ripping fins, and always recheck the drain to ensure it flows freely, flushing it with a small quantity of white vinegar if mineral buildup is present. Common mistakes include powering the unit while cleaning, which risks injury and short circuits, so always confirm both the breaker and the condenser disconnect are off and test with a non-contact voltage tester if available. Another frequent error is using high-pressure water or a pressure washer, which can flatten fins and force water into electrical components, so opt for low-pressure rinsing from the coil face and shield sensitive parts with plastic sheeting. People also overlook the drain system, so condensate backs up and causes microbial growth. Clear the trap and run a safe sanitizer like diluted white vinegar through the drain line until flow is consistent. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers a space where we can discuss projects, share experiences, and ask questions before hiring help. We make it easy for contractors to find work and for homeowners to learn from peers in our discussion community. Helpful links and resources to succeed include searching for walkthroughs by your air conditioner model online, checking the manufacturer manual for coil care instructions, watching step-by-step instructional videos, and joining homeowner cleaning forums to see real photos and tips from people who have done similar jobs.